Every city has at least one building with a missing floor number. In this one, it's the 13th floor. The button is there, but always scratched out. Urban legend says if you press it at 2:13 a.m., the elevator will stop between floors. The doors open to a dark hallway that smells like dust and rust. If you step out, don't look behind you. Because the elevator waits. Oh, but something else steps in behind you. When the doors close, the building gains a new resident.